Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your shipping with UPS, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your shipping with UPS, start by understanding the types of shipping services they offer. Evaluate the value of the items you are shipping. Consider whether you need additional coverage beyond the standard protection. Visit the UPS website or your local UPS store to learn about insurance options. Select the appropriate shipping service based on your needs, such as UPS Ground or UPS Next Day Air. When preparing your package, use high-quality packing materials. Choose a sturdy box that is slightly larger than your items to allow for padding. Wrap each item individually with bubble wrap or packing paper. Fill any empty spaces in the box with packing peanuts or crumpled paper to prevent movement. Seal the box securely with strong packing tape. Clearly label your package with the recipient's address, including any necessary apartment or suite numbers. To ensure maximum protection, consider using UPS's enhanced tracking options. Obtain a tracking number when you ship your package. This will allow you to monitor its journey and delivery status. If you're shipping valuable items, consider scheduling a signature-required delivery. This ensures that the package is handed directly to the recipient. Before shipping, double-check the contents and labeling for accuracy. After shipping, keep the receipt and any tracking information for your records. In the event of damage or loss, contact UPS customer service immediately. Have your tracking number and any relevant paperwork on hand to expedite the process. Review UPS's claims process on their website for detailed instructions. By following these steps, you can enhance the protection of your shipping with UPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.